Are you looking for the best exercise bikes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best exercise bikes. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. The Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright is an affordable semi-recumbent exercise bike with a convenient folding design. This bike provides a quality workout experience at nearly half the cost of the competition, with a simple and no-frills design that gets the job done. It has 8 smooth and quiet magnetic resistance levels for workouts ranging from easy to moderate in difficulty. The simple console has an LCD display and a single button to control your workout information. The large padded seat was reasonably comfortable, and it has padded handles around the console with integrated heart rate sensors. The simple folding design significantly reduces its footprint when not in use and can easily fit in a closet or the corner of your room. It is also relatively lightweight and has integrated transport wheels, making it easier than most to move around. The Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic seems a lot more like a semi-recumbent than a proper upright style bike despite having upright in its name. It has a somewhat relaxed seated position, and you can't get off the seat and stand while pedaling the way you can on an upright model. Testers also found its resistance range somewhat limited, making this bike unsuitable for high-intensity workouts. Beyond that, we feel this is a very reasonably priced and convenient option if you're limited on space. Moving on at number 4, we have the Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike. For a simple and effective recumbent exercise bike offered at a very reasonable price, look no further than the Marcy ME709. This affordable model boasts a high comfort level with an easy step-through design, a large padded seat and backrest, and a padded handlebar. It has 8 magnetic resistance levels and is best suited for exercise in the light to moderate intensity range. The display is nothing fancy, but it shows pertinent workout information with relatively intuitive controls. The ME709 is adjustable for length to accommodate a broad user height range, plus it has transport wheels, a smaller footprint, and a lower weight than other recumbents we tested. We found the Marcy ME709 to have a somewhat limited resistance range. Those with an already high fitness level or who seek a more intense workout may want to look elsewhere. It is also a relatively basic, no-frills model that lacks the more expensive competition's bells and whistles. While it may not be feature-packed, it is easy to use and provides a consistent, quality workout. We feel this inexpensive model is perfect for anyone on a budget who doesn't require fancy features or super high resistance levels. At number 3, we have the Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike. If you're not looking to spend a lot of money and don't require fancy screens, apps, and connectivity, the Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike is an affordable option. While it is quite basic compared to high-end models, this simple and sturdy spin bike provides a very effective workout. It has a 35 pounds weighted flywheel with an infinite range of friction resistance to suit any exercise intensity. Its upright style requires an athletic body position, and it offers a large range of seat and handlebar height adjustments to fit riders of varying user heights. The padded seat is comfortable, and the large handlebar offers numerous hand placement options. The LCD display is basic but functional, showing one workout metric at a time. Below the console is a device holder, so you can place a tablet or phone for viewing while you ride. It does not have any wireless connectivity, but you could easily follow along with studio workouts from popular apps, just without any metrics displayed on your screen. It also comes with toe cage pedals, a bottle holder, and transport wheels integrated into the front stabilizer. The biggest drawback to the Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike is its lack of connectivity. You can follow along with some workouts, but the bike doesn't integrate with any apps the way higher-end bikes do. That said, it costs a fraction of the price, and it provides a great workout as long as you don't require app integration to get and keep you motivated. Simple yet effective, the Yosuda is a quality option that won't break the bank. At number 2, we have the Schwinn Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. The Schwinn IC4 offers a quality connected spin bike experience without the high-end price tag of the competition. A top-ranked model in our budget exercise bike review, the IC4 is more of a value proposition when compared to the screen-equipped competition. This bike does not come with a fancy touchscreen, so you will need your own tablet or phone to use JRNY or third-party apps like Peloton and Zwift. Subscriptions required. But otherwise, this bike performs roughly on par with the more expensive models. The IC4 has a sturdy feel with 100 levels of quiet magnetic resistance. It uses Bluetooth to connect to your device to use the JRNY app, and it has a device holder to keep your screen in view while you ride. The JRNY app offers a variety of workouts, with studio classes, virtual coach, and explore the world scenic rides, as well as the ability to stream entertainment from your favorite subscription services, like Netflix, Hulu, etc. In addition to the cycling workouts, JRNY has a full range of off-the-bike classes to work on your total body fitness. The ability to use third-party apps like Peloton and Zwift expands this bike's versatility even further, and the Peloton app is much less expensive when used on a non-Peloton product. Of course, the IC4 can also be used without an app, and the small console provides a variety of metrics pertaining to your current workout. It also comes with features like 3-pound hand weights, dual-function pedals, a Bluetooth heart rate armband, bottle holders, and more to enhance the user experience. While the IC4 does work with apps like Zwift, we found that it isn't quite perfect and the power output reading is a bit high. While this isn't necessarily a problem for casual riders, it could cause some issues if you're trying to compete with other riders on the app. We are told the bike can be recalibrated for better accuracy, but it still won't be perfect. We also found that the speed and distance readings on the bike's console were higher than they should have been, but this is only a problem if you base your workouts on those metrics. Beyond these inaccuracies, we feel the IC4 is a reasonably priced connected bike that can get you into the studio and virtual cycling scene without breaking the bank. The Schwinn IC4 doesn't have its own screen, but it connects to your own device if you want to use the JRNY app or other third-party apps like Peloton or Zwift. And finally at number 1, we have the Bowflex Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. The Bowflex Velo Core 16 offers a unique at-home cycling experience. This commercial quality spin bike has 100 levels of magnetic resistance suitable for all fitness levels, but it really sets itself apart with its lean feature. It has a locking mechanism that keeps it stationary, and when unlocked, the rider can tip the bike from side to side to simulate a more natural riding motion and follow along with the JRNY app's lean classes. While it may sound a little gimmicky, the lean feature is actually quite effective at working the core and other muscle groups while you ride. The 16-inch touchscreen uses Bluetooth to pair with accessories and Wi-Fi to connect to the JRNY app. JRNY offers a wide range of studio classes, explore the world scenic rides, and virtual coach programs to choose from. Plus it offers the unique ability to stream entertainment from popular services like Netflix, Hulu, and HBO Max, subscriptions required, to watch while you ride. It can't quite match the sheer number of classes on apps like Peloton or IFIT, but JRNY provides plenty of variety, loads of off-the-bike workouts, and it costs less than the competition. The VeloCore also works with Peloton and Zwift through your own device, adding even more workout options. We found the 16-inch touchscreen on the VeloCore to be adequate, but it is a fair amount smaller than the screens on other models we tested. The VeloCore can also be purchased with a 22-inch screen for a significant bump in price. The screen also has limited mobility, with a small range of tilt, but no ability to rotate for viewing off the bike. While the JRNY app does offer plenty to satisfy most users, we think those interested purely in live and on-demand studio classes would be better off looking elsewhere. Due to the nature of the bike's design and unique lean feature, it has a slightly larger footprint than other bikes we tested, though this should only matter if you're super tight on space. Otherwise, we think the VeloCore is an excellent bike that offers something unique with its lean feature, plus the variety of the JRNY app and the ability to stream entertainment and work with third-party apps provides lots of options and broadens its appeal. The lean feature of the VeloCore is very unique. It allows you to lean from side to side and add some core and stabilization work to your workout. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.